I'm Jason Kavari, Head of Metadata Services at Cornell University Library, and collaborator on both the Linked Data for Libraries Labs and Linked Data for Production, Andrew W. Mellon Foundation-funded projects. This video provides an overview of page and menu management in the Vitro Metadata Editor application. To customize pages and menus within Vitro, first log in as a site administrator. Then select the Site Admin link from the top right of your screen, followed by Page Management within the Site Configuration menu. Within the Page Management screen, a site administrator can either edit existing page configurations or add a new page. For the latter, select the Add Page button from the bottom of the page listing. Within the Add New Page screen, you must enter certain information. First, assign the page a title that will appear to users at the top of the page. For this example, I will type Continuing Resources. Next, assign the page a URL, which should be a concise and unique string that will appear as part of the URL path. This must begin with a /. For this example, I will type /continuing resources. Next, declare a template for the page. Unless you have created customized page templates, select Default. Next, a site administrator can declare a particular page to be a menu page. This means that the page will appear in the horizontal navigation menu at the top of the screen. For this example, I will select This is a menu page. Upon selection, one can declare a label for this page within the menu bar. If left blank, Vitro will automatically use the page title. Next, assign page permissions by using the drop-down menu. Page permissions indicate which user types can access the page. Most use cases will be best facilitated by either logged-in individuals can view the page, or anyone can view this page. However, site administrators can limit access to pages based on granular user roles as described in the user administration video. For this example, I will select Anyone can view this page from the drop-down. Content type allows the site admin to select the data that appears to users that access this page. A very common usage of page configuration is the rendering of class data. To build this page, select Browse Class Group from the Content Type drop-down menu. Within the Browse Class Group box that appears following the Browse Class Group selection, select the appropriate class group. For this example, I will select Works. Within the selected class group, a site administrator can select the classes that are within this class group. Once the classes are selected, click Save this content within the Browse Class Group. For this example, I only want to show continuing resources in the resulting page. Thus, I will only select the continuing resource class and then select Save. When you are done with the page customization, select Save New Page. Upon saving, you will see that the new menu item appears, because we selected that this is indeed a menu page. When I browse to the new menu page, you will see the instance data for the selected class continuing resource. Another option for page configuration is the rendering results of a SPARQL query. To do so, navigate back to the Site Admin page, and then again select Page Management under Site Configuration. Within this page, add a new page with a title of birth date and a URL of birth date. Because we have not created a custom template, we will leave the selection for template as default. Again, we would like to create this as a menu page that is available to all users, regardless of logging in. Under Content Type, select Sparkle Query Results. Within the newly appeared Sparkle Query Result box, input a variable name as well as the query you would like to run when users encounter this page. Following entering your query, select Save this content. To give a very simple example, let's query for all entities in our data that have a birth date. Following saving this content, select Save New Page. If I navigate to the new page, you will see that the result lacks formatting, which could be facilitated through a custom template. If the query results have data that need to be formatted, actionable, or otherwise interpreted by Vitro, you will need to use a custom template for this page. I will now return to the page management to show editing of existing page content. To edit any existing pages, simply select the appropriate page from the title column. Make your changes and select Save Changes. If you would like this menu to appear in a different sequence, navigate to the Site Admin page and then select Menu Ordering under the Site Configuration menu. To reorganize the menu, simply click and drag the menu items. Upon refreshing the page, the menu order will change according to the new configuration you have selected. This completes the page and menu configuration webinar.